Tonight it could go either way. Hearts balanced on a razor blade. We are
Walking with Prehistoric Beasts. One of the best movies brought to BBC Video.
Know your arms are reaching out from somewhere beyond the clouds. You make me feel like the troubled heart is a million miles away. You make me feel like I'm drunk on stars and we're dancing out into space. Celestial. Celestial.
For this special, we're drawing two of the greatest prehistoric beasts going head to head. Tonight we're gonna draw Entelodont, and in the next episode we're gonna draw Entelodont.
When I get lost, will it come back round? Things don't look up when you're going down. Know your arms, they are reaching out from somewhere beyond the clouds. You make me feel like the troubled heart is a million miles away. You make me feel like I'm drunk on stars and we're dancing out into space. Celestial. We were made to be nothing more than this, finding magic in all the smallest things. The way we notice, that's what really matters. Let's make tonight go on and on and on. You make me feel we were made to be nothing more than this, finding magic in all the smallest things. The way we notice, that's what really matters. Let's make tonight go on and on and on. You make me feel like my troubled heart is a million miles away. You make me feel like I'm drunk on stars and we're dancing out in space. Celestial.
Entelodont has recently been revealed as one of the top predators and one of the greatest fossil records from the Eocene. Alexa, what prehistoric animals lived during the Eocene?
From NPS.gov, Eocene mammals included ancestral rhinoceroses, tapirs, camels, pigs, rodents, monkeys, whales, and the ancestral horse, as well as animals such as the Brontoterians, which have since become extinct.
I get stuck when the world's too loud and things don't look up when you're going down. Know your arms are reaching out from somewhere beyond the clouds. You make me
All right.
feel like the troubled heart is a million miles away. You make me feel like I'm drunk on stars and we're dancing out into space. Celestial.
This guy has been one of the stars for Walking with Prehistoric Beasts for many long years.
See the light shining through the rain, 1,000 colors in a brighter shade. Needed to rise from the lowest place. There's silver lining that surrounds the gray. When I get lost, will it come back round? Things don't look up when you're going down. Know your arms
Here's the second shoe.
We were made to be nothing more than this, finding magic
There he is.
all the small
That's how you draw Entelodont.
we notice. That's what really matters. Let's make tonight.
Alexa, what is Entelodont?
Intelligence has been defined in many ways. The capacity for abstraction, logic, understanding, self-awareness, learning, emotional knowledge, reasoning, planning, creativity, critical thinking, and problem solving. More generally, it can be described as the ability to perceive or infer information, and to retain it as knowledge to be applied towards adaptive behaviors within an environment or context.
Amazing. It's amazing. There he is, everyone. That is how you draw Entelodont. Be sure to like and rock and subscribe, and let me know what prehistoric animal you want me to draw next. From the dinosaurs, from the ones from the future. We're never gonna stop evolving together.